Howdy there, folks. B Collector 6819 coming back at you with another break of 2015 Topps Series 1 Baseball. This is the 72 card pack that you can pick up at Walmart. Let's get into this, see what we get. This is the second one of these I've done. Okay, we've got a Sergio Santos, Jason Castro, Yosemite Grandal, Michael Taylor, rookie, Ian Kinsler, James Loney, James McCann, rookie, Michael Bourne, Sonny Gray, Cole Hamels, Manny Machado, the Detroit Tigers, Chris Johnson, Ben Revere, Chris Parmalee, Yu Darvish, Trevor Bauer, trying to do Lance Lynn, one of these looking cards, Gary Brown, Ricky Henderson archetypes, Nolan Ryan, we've got the Babe Ruth story, Dustin Ackley, we've got the Shot card. Robinson Cano. Let's see. Robinson Jeffrey Jr. Selby Miller. Hamilton. Dustin Ackley, John J, Mike Napoli, Hendrick Morales, Alexi Galanzo, Anthony Rizzo, Anthony Rizzo, Colon, Pablo Colon, Manny Navarro, Tony Singari, Wilson Ramos, DJ Upton, Joey Votto, Josh Rick, Lyle Overday, Gillespie, David Phillips, Anthony Rodon, J.D. Martinez, McClellan, Eric Stogard, Kershaw, Quaker Wainwright, Wins, Gonzalez, Stanton Upton, Fabio Avengers, Angels, Miguel Montero, Bucks Brothers, Mike Nunez, sorry if I mispronounced the name, Anabel Sanchez, Tony Watson, Daisuke Matsuyama, Clayton Kershaw, Tim Hudson, Lonnie Chizoha, Dominic Brown, Jorge Solara, Cubs rookie, Joe Nathan, Mark Farmer, Jesus Guzman, Brandon Compton, Gloria Rodriguez, Alcides Escobar, Mike Trout, first home run, and Bryce Harper, first home run. So there you have it, folks. That was a 2015 Topps Series 1 72 card pack. Thanks for that you can get at Walmart. It's rack pack, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. You can pick them up at Walmart or Target. I got mine at Walmart, though. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.